Hello guys, welcome to the HTML tutorial part 2. In this video, we will learn that how to implement the code of HTML. First of all, you open Notepad, and as I told you in the earlier video, just in the first line type doctype HTML. It only shows the version of your HTML. Then in the second line open HTML tag, then open head tag. Head tag is basically to give the heading of your web page, and in the heading tag the tag is title, which names of your web page. If you want to add the name of your web page, and it is compulsory also, then use the title tag. Then the body tag. In the body tag you must give the 6 types of headings, which is differently vary from their sizes. Then it is compulsory to close all the tags which is open up. Web page name, this is going to the name of your page. Above code which named at web page name contains 6 headings. HTML code have 6 headings, vary with their different sizes we use according to our need. If you want to add paragraph to any heading, follow the code given below. Same as above, doctype HTML, open HTML, open head tag, and open title tag as same earlier. And in the any heading tag h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, according to your need, just give the paragraph tag anything that you have to written. Then close the paragraph tag, close body tag, and close HTML tag. Beside this, if you want to add any image, then under any heading type you must type img src. Here src means source, which is what is the source of your image. Image name .jpg. It is compulsory to have image in the JPG form. We can also set the image size as image src image name.jpg. Height and width, according to your need, you can give your height and width of your image. Now save the file as extension file name.html. It is compulsory to give the extension as .html because you are doing the code of HTML. Go to the location where you saved the file and open it. You have see the desired output according to the code. Add table in code. Now if you want to add table in your HTML code, then first give the table tag. To make the table with border, give table border equals to 1. Here 1 means that how broader border you want. If you choose a large number, then your table border is more broader than the previous one. Then tr means table row, th means table heading or row heading, td means table column. Now make the students marks table. For as an example, here I am use h1 heading as mark sheet. The second line I have gave the border equals to 2, then table row, and as you see I have given all the row headings in the th tag, then td tag, and then next td for the second row. When you save and refresh the page, this look as the table given below. student name, English marks, math marks, Hindi marks. In this way, you make any type of table you want. That's it. This is the method to how to make the table in the HTML. In the next video, we will learn how to make the registration form in by the HTML code, and this is very important part of HTML. So see you in the next video. Thank you.